Self-esteem is defined by how we perceive and value ourselves. Our beliefs and opinions on ourselves are subject to change. Your self-esteem can affect you in many ways. Whether you like or value yourself, your decision-making skills and assertiveness, your ability to recognize your strengths and skills, your willingness to try new things and face challenges, your ability to move past things without blaming yourself, and your self-care. Difficult or stressful life experiences often factor into low self-esteem, but the cause and nature of it is different for everyone. Here are some examples of stressful situations that may cause low self-esteem. Being bullied or abused, experiencing prejudice, discrimination or stigma, trouble at work, losing your job or difficulty finding employment, physical health complications, mental health problems, relationship issues, body image problems, and issues with money or housing. Having low self-esteem isn't necessarily a mental health problem, but they are closely linked. If your self-esteem takes a hit for an extended period of time, this may result in mental health problems like depression or anxiety. Symptoms of low self-esteem may be signs of a mental health problem, particularly if they last a long time or affect your ability to function in day-to-day life. Examples include feeling hopeless or worthless, blaming yourself unfairly, hating yourself, and worrying about being unable to do things. Having a mental health problem can also cause you to have low self-esteem, and it might feel harder to cope or take steps to improve your self-esteem. Here are some tips for improving your self-esteem. Be kind to yourself, look after your health, try to notice the good things and stop to appreciate them, build a strong support network, perhaps consider talking therapy, learn to be assertive and confident in your mind, set yourself a challenge that may boost your self-esteem, for example, volunteering or a hobby that you enjoy. If you've tried all that you can to improve your self-esteem and you don't know what to do next, consider reaching out to your GP. For more information on self-esteem, check out the links in the description section below. And remember, your mind matters.